Okay, so my lashes lasted 2 weeks, but it's time for a refill now. That's right, we're going to my favorite beauty supply store where I get my cluster lashes, and I usually go for the Velux extended lash. I think these are perfect for your DIY lashes if you're going for the individual look. They're not like really thin, they're clusters, and they give you that wispy look that I always go for. And when I saw this, I was like, I have to try their Bond and Seal. After I got it all, it came out to $32.63, which is not bad at all. All right, ladies, so do-it-yourself class is now in session, so make sure you're paying attention. The third tip you really won't want to miss. I'm going to go in with the medium as well as the long. The long will go on the end, and the medium will go on the inside of my eye. This tweezer is the one you need, not the other one. Get this one. In the end, you'll see why. So I'm going to just add the bonding to my natural lashes. For your refills, make sure you're getting deep in the middle to make sure you can apply the lashes everywhere. And I'm just showing you guys how to pick up the lash so they don't separate. Get it from the top. I also use this glue to make sure that this is going to last at least a week. I dip it inside the glue, and now it's time to apply. So I like to start at the end because I like a very wispy cat-eyed look. And make sure once you get it on there, you are lifting that lash up. And now I'm going to just apply it all throughout my eye. Next tip. So you see how that eyelash is like sliding down your natural lash? You want to make sure that new lash is going to cover that gap, so it makes it look like they're all coming together. This makes it so much easier than just doing a whole brand new set. So on this eye, as you can see, I got a lot more that came out. So we're just going to go over the process again. We're going to add our bond to our natural lashes, and then we're going to just go ahead and apply. And I'm starting from the inner corner of my eye with the medium. And as we go towards the end, we're going to just keep adding the longer ones. And remember, each time you apply a lash, you want to lift the eyelashes. Give it up for the angles that I was giving you guys, because I wanted this video to be as simple as possible so you guys fully understood the assignment. Because it is so easy, ladies. Like, you don't need to go get your lashes done no more. Just do it yourself. Save yourself some coins and do it yourself. So now we're going to go in with our seal. And this is just to get rid of all the tackiness and make sure that it stays in place. And I'm going to do the bottom as well as the top. Here's another tip. You want to make sure you take that tweezer and you are pressing into those lashes you applied. Make sure you do this so that they can all stick together, and it makes sure that your lash set stays on longer. This is the final tip. I go in with my all-nighter. This is said to make sure that these last at least 10 days. So I'm just going over to make sure they're fully sealed. Boom, this is what we're looking like. If these tips were helpful, I need you to like and subscribe. No more $200 3-hour appointments. You're doing it in 20 minutes for less than $40. Thank you for coming to Do It Yourself class with Lady Q. Class is dismissed. I'll see you in my next one.